What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you the different ways you can get a lot of video ideas for your channel. No matter what niche you are, there are a lot of videos that your audience are waiting for you to create. So keep watching, and if you are new here, my name is Victoria Ajadi. I make videos around lifestyle, YouTube, and also about business, making money online, and all those good stuff. So if you like any of my content, please make sure to click on the subscribe button below and tap on the notification bell beside it. Make sure to like this video and leave me a comment below if this video is helpful, and don't forget to share with your friends. Sometimes as YouTube content creators, we experience what is called creative block, and we just don't know what exactly to make a video about. And sometimes it's just that there are a lot of information available or a lot of ideas coming on that it all feels so overwhelming for us. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you my strategies for actually getting to know what video content to actually create for my audience. And I implore you to take a paper and a pen so that you have something to go back onto when next you need a video idea. The first tip that I have for you is go through your comments. Oftentimes you don't pay a good attention to the comments on our videos, and I tell you, there are a lot of video ideas hidden in your comment section. So go through your comments. You can just go to the YouTube studio and just click on comments and just take like 30 minutes to an hour. It might even be less than that. And just go through the comments of the videos that are already on your channel. Here you'll be able to see some comments that you have missed. Sometimes comments go into likely spam, or they just go hidden by YouTube just because they think it is spam or it is offensive. So go through these comments and you can actually see the questions that your audience have been asking concerning a particular topic or a particular video that you've made earlier. Those questions can actually turn into video ideas for you. Another thing that you can do is also in your YouTube analytics, go to your videos that you think is really doing well. And one thing I've noticed about videos doing well is that there are a lot of people asking one question or the other on how to go a step higher, a step further concerning that video. So under that video, you see a lot of questions that people might have asked. So go through the videos that are doing well on your channel and just see, what else can I do about this video? What other questions do I think my audience might be asking concerning this video? What other concerns do people actually might have about this video that I have made? And probably you might even get up to 5 or more ideas on that particular video, and also in your comment section. So my tip number 2, still on comment sections, I want you to go to the channel of a YouTuber that is in the same niche as you. Let's say you're a cooking channel, and you have someone else who is also a cooking channel. What you need to do is go to one of their videos that is doing very well, click on the video, or even any of their videos, click on the video and go through the comment section. Most times, especially big YouTubers, they really don't have time to answer questions for people asking. There are a lot of comments, and probably they don't have time to answer all the questions, to answer all the comments. Now go through the comments of one of the videos and see the questions that some of their subscribers have actually asked, or the suggestions that have been made by some of their subscribers. Then go ahead and you have video ideas for your next YouTube video, because the chance is, the fact that someone is asking that question or someone is actually suggesting that particular video, there are thousands of other people who are actually interested in that particular topic. So take charge, go ahead and create a video topic about that. Number 3 is getting on social media. I'll be using Facebook as a good example, like a case study in this video. So you want to go to Facebook and the Facebook groups that you are in. What you want to do is go to the Facebook groups and go through the posts in your Facebook group. Normally this should be a Facebook group that is connected to your niche or connected to something that you like to do or will like to make a video about. go through the Facebook group and see the content that people are already talking about in there. For example, someone in your group might actually have written an article, let's say about fitness, and it's probably about how he or she got the right fitness sportswear for himself or for herself. It's something that you can actually turn into a video idea. So go ahead and pen it down, and your audience might actually be interested in having you make a video about that. So go through different Facebook groups that you are in and see what people are talking about in the Facebook group. They will also give you various ideas about what you can actually make a video about, because the truth is, if someone could have written a blog or an article about it, it is something that you can also turn into a video. So do it. The next place where I get my video ideas is a site known as Quora.com. If you don't know what Quora is a website for asking and answering questions. So people come onto Quora.com and they type in their questions, and people with the knowledge of that question, they actually go ahead and they answer their questions. So what you need to do is sign up to Quora.com. You just need to set up your account in order to get the full features of Quora.com. Set up your account, then go ahead and type in the question bar any question that is related to your area of expertise, to your niche, to what you really want to talk about on your channel. Type it in there and you will be amazed at the number of people that have been asking such questions in the past years. And Quora will also give you an idea. It will show you the different other questions that are related to that particular question that you have asked. And the fun thing about Quora.com is that they actually have like different niches for different questions. So if you just type on into it, YouTube marketing, you see a lot of questions about YouTube marketing. So you want to make a video about YouTube marketing. The questions that are there are enough for you to make content for the next 1 month. So this is another great way for you to get video ideas. Now to the bonus tip. This is a way of finding new video ideas that I just discovered recently. So what you want to do is go to the incognito mode of your browser. Like you use Chrome, just go incognito. Incognito means you are going on a private browser, and then you go to your channel from the incognito mode. Just type in your channel name and just click any of your videos on that channel. Click any of your videos and you can just leave it to play while you check the suggested videos on that particular channel. The chances are these are the same videos that are being suggested to your present audience. And if your audience actually enjoy watching this video, which is why YouTube is suggesting it to them, if your audience actually enjoy watching this video, of course they will enjoy watching it from you. So make videos around those videos that you see in the suggested videos of your own video. This is a good way for you to keep your audience engaged. Like these are the suggested videos for your own videos, and then your audience actually saw that you've made a video about this. Of course they'll be happy that you made a video about it. So try that also and let me know in the comment section how well it worked for you. Another thing that I want to add, I know that a lot of YouTubers might already know this, but who knows, some might not know. You just go to the search bar of your YouTube channel. You might not be signed into your YouTube account, but just go to the search bar and just type in a topic that you are interested in. Just type it in on the search bar and see the suggestions, the other suggestions that are brought out by YouTube. Those are the kind of videos people are looking out for to watch on YouTube. So if there's something that you love to make a content around, please do that. How else do you guys get video ideas? Please let me know in the comment section. If you're yet subscribed, please subscribe and hit the like button if this video ideas are helpful for you. Please leave me a comment in the comment section, like this video and share this video with a content creator that you know. And please subscribe if you have not. Please, maybe you don't know, subscribing and liking a video, it is free of charge. You don't pay. So please subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment in the comment section, and if you have a video request, please leave it in the comment section also. Until next time, when I see you in my next video, guys.